Alright everyone, now let's complete the edit form with Formik and Yup validation. First, we install the required libraries, Formik and Yup. Then we restart the project. Now, since Formik uses hooks, this component must be a client component. So we add use client. Next, we import use Formik from Formik and Yup for validation. Now we initialize Formik. Now we initialize Formik. We create a Formik instance using the use Formik hook. Inside this configuration, we enable reinitialization. This is very important because data comes from props, and we want the form to update when data changes. Next, we define initial values. We take values from the student object, ID, name, student class, GPA. Now the form is pre-filled with existing data. Next, we define validation schema using Yup. We say name must be string and required. Class must be string and required. GPA must be string and required. And we define custom error messages. Now, we bind our inputs using Formik. We use the getFieldProps method and pass the field name. This connects each input to the Formik state, so the values automatically appear inside the inputs. Next, we handle validation messages. We check two conditions. First, if there's an error for the field, and second, if the field has been touched. This ensures errors only show after user interacts with the input. Then we display error messages using Bootstrap alert classes. Now let's test it. If user clicks input and leaves it empty, error message appears. If user types something, error disappears. So validation works perfectly. Now we have pre-filled form, live validation, user-friendly error messages. Next step, we will connect this form to backend and implement the update request.